How to get a loan with bad credit. Do you have terrible credit and you need a loan? Well, I used to be in the exact same position. I started with bad credit, no money, no job, multiple foreclosures, and just the worst situation ever. And today I have an 800 credit score and lots of funding. In this video, I'm going to share with you all the secrets to getting approved, even with bad credit, how to get funding without using your social security number, and how to take yourself to the next level, even if you have bad credit. Let's go.
Noel. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, or you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
In this video, I'm going to share with you an easy step-by-step process on how to get approved for a loan with bad credit. I'm going to give you 3 easy ways to actually improve your credit score really fast if you need to get some points on your credit report. And I'm going to share with you how to get $50,000 line of credit for your business, even with bad credit. There are so many amazing things that you can do with loans. One of the reasons that you want to get a loan for yourself or for your business usually is because you have a purpose to get more money. There's no point in borrowing money just for the sake of borrowing money. However, if you want to get a loan to grow your business, you can easily do this and get more customers. One of the reasons why you want to get a loan for yourself or for your business is so that you can get more customers. Maybe you can do some advertising, maybe you can do some marketing, maybe you can reach a new audience. One of the things that you want to make sure that you have in your mind before you ever apply for a loan is what you are going to do with the loan. So one of the first things that you can do that banks and lenders would love to hear is say that you want to get more customers. This means that you're going to grow the business, more income is going to be able to come in, and this is how you're going to be able to repay the loan. So start to think of that. So the number one thing that people and banks are looking for is for you to say, I'm looking to gain more customers, and some of the things that you're going to do to get more customers. Let me tell you some other amazing things that you can do with loans that banks would love to hear. You can consolidate debts. One of the things that you can do with a loan, even if you have bad credit, is start to consolidate your debts. So say, for example, you have lots of other loans or you have credit card debts. If you put them all in one loan, and usually it reduces the monthly payments if you combine all of those monthly payments into one. That is debt consolidation. Banks and lenders love to hear that you are going to consolidate debt because usually that means you're getting your budgeting and your expenses under control. And that's one of the reasons they like to lend to people, even if they have bad credit. Number 3, growing your business. So even if you don't have a business, you would want to grow your business. Say you have a business idea that you're thinking of doing and you want to get a loan for that. So you're saying the purpose of the funds for the loan is to grow the business. And then again, be very specific that I'm going to get more customers, or I'm going to increase my prices, or I'm going to add new products or new services. How you're going to use that money to grow the business is going to be very important. So start to think of that. Start to decide what it is that you're going to do with the money. And then again, be specific. Are you going to run ads? Are you going to buy inventory? Are you going to buy apparel and have your employees or your contractors wear it? Are you going to put billboards out? Are you going to do ads on social media? Again, what is it that you're going to do to grow your business and get more customers? This is so important. Stop, hold up. If you have bad credit, reach out to my friends at creativecreditsolutions.net. My friend Justin Murch is a longtime friend of mine, and he helped me fix my very bad credit and get me into a great situation where I have over 800 credit score today. Literally, my friends at creativecreditsolutions.net can help you today. Use the link below. It's very inexpensive. And in fact, they will even give you a free consultation and let you know what it is that you need to do to get good credit. You can go from bad credit to good credit really easily, especially with my friends at creativecreditsolutions.net. Use the link below and tell them that Noel Randall sent you so that you can get that free call. All right, let me get back to this content. Number 4, reserves. So many businesses and people want to borrow money so that they can have reserves. This is a great reason to borrow money, especially with this key piece of information. Banks like to lend to people that don't need the money. One of the worst things that you could do is wait till you need money in order to go to the bank and get it. You want to start borrowing money and getting loans for your business or for whatever you're doing before you need it. You want to start being proactive. And so one of the things that banks and lenders likes to hear is that you're going to use the money for reserves, that you're going to keep it as capital. Basically, you're going to save this money, put it aside so that your business has longevity and continuity and stability. These are words that banks and lenders love to hear, and they love to hear that you have a plan for the money. And just keeping the money in reserves in the bank account is one of the reasons that they will give you the money for. But again, you want to make sure you don't need the money and that you're telling them what you're going to do with the money so that, again, you can do this last thing that I'm going to share with you. Opportunities. The last thing that I wanted to say is that opportunities is a great way to borrow money and a great reason to borrow money or get a loan for yourself or for your business. A lot of times opportunities will come our way. Maybe it's a business opportunity or a venture, but we don't have the money to take advantage of it. Well, if you get a loan and you have that money saved in reserves, you can take advantage of lots of opportunities that can make you money. If you don't have the money to invest, you won't have the opportunity to make lots of money with that investment. So having some money set aside for opportunities is a great reason to borrow money and get a loan for yourself or your business. Now, let me tell you how you get this done. I'm trying to get to 1 million subscribers and I need your help. Subscribe to my channel and I will show you a picture of me when I was a little kid. Here you go. All right, subscribe to my channel and help me get to 1 million. Let's go. Number 1, build business credit. Literally, did you know that you can build a separate credit profile not using your social security number? Yes, you can actually build business credit through Dun & Bradstreet. In fact, I made an entire video where I teach you how to use your DUNS number to get loans for your business. I'm going to give you a quick recap, but you can watch that entire video right after you watch this one. So as I said, you can build business credit really easily through Dun & Bradstreet, and it's actually completely free. Literally, you can create a business and then get a business credit profile through Dun & Bradstreet, and you literally can start borrowing money using your DUNS number, not your social security number. Literally, there are 2 separate credit profiles available to any person. Obviously, you have your personal credit, which is Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. But when it comes to business credit, there are 3 business credit bureaus that you can use to build a business credit profile where you don't have to use your social security number. You literally can borrow in your business's name. So even if you have bad personal credit, you can have good business credit and borrow in your business's name. It's amazing. Start building business credit today. Again, it's absolutely free. If you need more help, watch that entire video on how to get a DUNS number and start borrowing money in your business's name. Number 2, get merchant processing. Literally, you can start a business, and again, really easily just with an LLC, an S Corp or C Corp, and an EIN. Then you can get merchant processing accounts. These are accounts like PayPal, Square, Stripe, or QuickBooks that allows you to accept credit cards in your business. Literally, you can set up these accounts absolutely free, start accepting credit cards, just make a couple of transactions, and after 2 or 3 months, you will get offers for loans. Literally, PayPal, Square, Stripe, and QuickBooks all have working capital loans for businesses, even startups. Literally, you can get money for your business in your business's name, and it does not report on your personal credit report. So again, you can do this, and I can give you an entire list of what to do. As a recap, absolutely free. Just go to noelsfreegift.com. Again, I'll put a link below, and you can get this checklist absolutely free. So you can build business credit and get merchant processing absolutely free. So you can get those loans that they have available for you, even as a new business, even having bad credit. Number 3, merchant advance loans. Literally, once you have a business, if you have business bank accounts, there are lenders that will lend to you with just 3 months of business checking account statements. So one of the things that you want to make sure that you do is create not only a personal business account, get a business checking account, because just with 3 months worth of business checking account statements, we have tons of lenders that will lend to you even as a startup with 3 months of business checking account statements. They will look at the deposits that you have going into your business checking account, and they will lend to you based on that amount. And in many cases, they do not ask exactly where the money came from. So there's some times where you can actually have money that you're having with business partners and things like that paying you for services. As long as it's going into your business checking account, It will count as income and they will lend to you based on that amount. Again, if you have any questions about this or you need help with your personal credit or your business credit, reach out to my friends at creativecreditsolutions.net.com. They also help with business credit through Justin Merch Consulting, and they can help you straighten all of this out and get approved for personal loans or business loans right there on the spot, and even help you increase your personal credit score. But merchant processing accounts and merchant processing loans and advances using 3 months worth of bank statements is an amazing way to get approved for business loans, even with bad credit. Stop, hold up. I want to hear what you think about this. Comment below and let me know what your credit situation is and what you are trying to achieve. I want to help you. Comment, let's have a conversation. Let's see what other people have to say. Let's get a discussion going. Comment below and let me know your situation and what you are trying to achieve. Let's talk about it. Number 4, Axion.org. Axion is an amazing organization that helps new entrepreneurs get funding for their business. In many cases, they will let you use personal items like televisions or cars as collateral for your business loan. They actually go down to credit scores as low as the 500s, so you can get access to funds for your business in your business's name, even with bad credit. Now, again, I am not sponsored by Axion.com. I'm not receiving any money. It is just a company that I have used in the past and my students have used in the past. And I have found that people have been able to get funded through Axion.org even with bad credit, because again, their mission as a nonprofit organization or not-for-profit organization is to lend and fund businesses, especially minority businesses or businesses that have struggled in the past to get access to funding. So again, Axion.org is here to help, as well as HelloAlice.com. They again are dedicated to getting funding and help and opportunities to new entrepreneurs, even startups, so that you can get the funding that you need for yourself, for your business, even with bad credit. I have a special offer where I will give you all 4 of my books absolutely free. Not only can you get that free call from Justin Merch by using the link below with creativecreditsolutions.net, you can go to noelsbookoffer.com right now and get all 4 of my books where I teach you how to turn side hustles into businesses and even how to get funding for those businesses with business credit. This book right here spells it all out for you, and you can get all 4 of these books absolutely free. You just cover the shipping. Go to noelsbookoffer.com right now because supplies are limited and we are selling out fast. You don't want to miss the opportunity before these books go out of print and I move on to a big publisher and combine and they sell for a lot more money. Again, you can get them absolutely free at noelsbookoffer.com right now, and you want to take advantage of that free call with creativecreditsolutions.net. I just want to make sure that you have all of the resources, all of the tools, and all of the knowledge that you need to be successful. This is Noel, to your success.